Hey sis, it's Christmas, so let's craft some shit. Today we're going to be making a bird feeder. Ooh! The holidays are right around the corner and we're always looking to cut corners, especially in this crazy time we're living in. So let's get started. Now all you're going to need is string or chain to hang your bird feeder, any sweet treats like a croissant or donut, some peanut butter, and bird seeds. And let's not forget something to punch a hole in that croissant or donut. And let's not forget the most important thing of all, wine. Okay, kids, let's do this. I'm using a croissant. This is blueberry. You can use chocolate, cranberry, or any kind of nut. It's really great. So if you have something that's a solid and doesn't have a hole in it, you're going to need to stab it and poke it really, really hard, just like your Kathy Bates in Misery. Oh, and pushing it really deep in there, making sure, my string fits in this tight, crumbly hole. Step number 2, you need to put some peanut butter on it. Don't be shy. Now, I don't know if birds have a preference, whether it's almond or peanut, chunky, creamy, nutty. Nutty. Hey baby, can I have another wine? I think there was a hole in this one. But I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna spread it. Ooh, spread it all the way around. Now, like a good gay person, I'm never gonna cover my hole, because if you cover it, you can't find it later. And it's always really handy, especially at this time. Now that the peanut butter is spread all the way around your sweet treat, girl, I want you to cover it in seed. I really like the way the seeds feel in my hand. Is that okay? Now you can find bird seeds wherever. You can get them at the store, you can get them at Petco, you can even get them on Amazon if you're afraid to go out. That's what I did. Now I'm just going to dip. And look at that. Oh, these birds are going to be so happy. Now really cover it. Make sure you cover the whole thing. You see that? Cover it on up, sis. It is so good. Final step. String, honey. We are all strings attached when it comes to this bird feeder. So let's just be very gentle and delicate here and uncover your hole and just drop your string or your chain or whatever you're using down that hole and bring it right on through. And before you know it, you got a bird feeder. Work, girl. You better slay them seeds and deck them halls. I'll catch you next time. I'm Zeta Jones, and this was Crafternoon. When was this from? October.